Hello and welcome to How to Play Snap, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Snap. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 to 6 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. All the cards are dealt out, one card at a time. Some players will have one more card than other players, and that's okay. The cards dealt stay face down in front of the players. The object of the game is to win all the cards. Cards are won by calling out Snap when 2 of the face-up cards have a matching rank. The first player to call out Snap will win both piles of cards. Going back to the cards dealt earlier, the player left of the dealer will start the round by flipping the top card of their face-down pile face up. Players will start a face-up pile of cards next to their face-down pile. After a card is flipped up, play continues clockwise left with players flipping cards face up. Once 2 face-up cards are matching in rank, a player will call out Snap. Here, player 3 is the first player to call out Snap for the matching 3s. Player 3 takes both piles of cards with the matching rank cards on top and adds them face down to the bottom of their face down pile. Play then continues with the player to the left of the last player to flip up a card. Once a player is out of cards, they are out of the game. The last player with cards wins the game. When flipping up a card, the player should flip the card out to avoid getting an advantage of seeing the card first. If a player runs out of face-down cards, their face-up pile will be flipped over to become their new face-down pile. If players tie when calling out Snap, the 2 matching piles are combined and placed into the middle. Once a card is flipped up to match the rank of the top card of the middle pile, the first player to call out Snap Pot wins the middle pile of cards and the pile with the matching card. If a player calls out Snap in air when no top cards match in rank, that player's face-up pile goes into the middle and will be won by a Snap Pot call. There can be multiple middle piles. A player can still win the game if there are middle card piles as long as no other player has cards. That wraps up How to Play Snap. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.